to my channel. Today for you guys I have a brand new video, and on this video we're gonna continue the Disney princess. So let's go ahead and choose our princess. So we have the little papers. Are you guys experiencing allergies? Because my allergies are literally off the roof. I cannot step outside because I will literally want to sneeze so bad. Okay guys, so we got the paper. Okay guys, so we're gonna be doing Belle today. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay guys, so at this point I don't know what type of style of eye I'm gonna do. I already prepped my eyeballs and obviously I did my eyebrows. So we're gonna start off with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and we're gonna be going in with Xoxo, which is this color right here. This is gonna work as my transition color, so I'm gonna be putting it on the crease mainly. So I'm just gonna do wiper windshield motions, and I'm also gonna start bringing it up. Now we're up close and personal. Okay guys, and to diffuse the color a little bit more on the top, I'm gonna go in with Chaser, which is this lighter color. So I'm just gonna be putting it like right here, just to blend things out a little bit more. So remember, it's not a lot, we're just using it to diffuse the color a little bit more. Okay guys, now we're gonna go in with Prima Donna, and this is from the Nikita x Morphe palette. Okay guys, and with this color I'm gonna start putting it on my outer V, and then I'm gonna start dragging it. So first I'm dabbing the color, and then I'm doing little circle motions, and I'm bringing it inward. Okay guys, so I'm blending it, but I'm noticing that that color does not want to blend well with the other shade. So I know there are colors that do not blend well with other formulas, but this one
is starting to look patchy.
I am gonna go back to Xoxo and kinda try to place it in here so that I can blend it a little bit more. Okay guys, now that we have our eyes looking like this, I'm gonna go in with the Pure Festival palette, and I'm gonna go in with All Night. This color is very pigmented, so I'm only gonna tap it a little bit, and then I'm gonna tap off the excess, and then I'm gonna put it in my outer V. And this is just to darken it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna use circular motions. Okay guys, and I'm gonna do kind of like a half crease, I guess. I'm just gonna clean a little bit right here, and I'm literally just going in with a cotton swab and cleaning it up a little bit because we're gonna put gold right there, and I want the gold to really stand out. So okay guys, so it's starting to look like this, and then we're just gonna blend it out a little bit. So you guys see how this eye is more like, it's a little bit more blended than this harsh line. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, just so it makes it easier. Okay guys, now that we have our eyes blended, we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're gonna go in with Creamsicle. And this is gonna be like our base, so our gold shadow can pop more. So pretty much I'm just gonna be dabbing it right here in this section. Just like this. Okay guys, so I couldn't decide what shade of gold I wanted to use for the lid. So I'm gonna do like a little mixture of 2 different palettes. So I'm gonna be going with the Pure Festival palette. And I'm gonna use Psychedelic. Go in with my finger and I'm just gonna grab some and then I'm just gonna put it on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the Nikita x Morphe palette and I'm gonna be using Escort. So I'm just gonna do the same thing and I'm just gonna tap it on the top. Yes, come through, gold. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Morphe gel liner and this is the color Jet. And basically I'm just gonna do a wing liner. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I just did a regular wing liner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera to save us time, of course. And I'll be... Okay guys, I am back. I did my whole entire face and I curled my hair. So let's keep going with the eyes and let's finish this look. So I'm gonna go back with Prima Donna and I'm gonna be putting it on my bottom lash line. I'm gonna go in with Sauced and I'm gonna diffuse the color. For the inner part, I'm gonna go in with the gold color. And I'm just gonna be putting it right here. Then I'm gonna go in with my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I'm gonna grab my pencil brush and I'm gonna put it right in my inner tear duct. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. So what do you guys think? I even did like my hair with a little bun and then halfway up because I saw in the picture that she had something going on like that.
So I know it looks a little bit funky though, but
we made it work. But yes, what do you guys think about this look? I feel like this look is very, you can even wear it out. It's not like too dramatic like the other looks I've been making. But yes, this is more subtle and I feel like it's just really pretty, very fancy, very Beauty and the Beast, I feel like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the next video that we will have, and I will see you guys next time.